On the left side, click the W icon, back out to the main menu, then click Patterns and Header. Select Header, and that opens the editor for the header. If you click on the menu, a plus button appears on the right side. If you click that, you can add a new page to the menu by searching or adding it from the list. Here, my service areas page appears, so I'll go ahead and click that. Clicking out of that, we can see how the menu will look. We can open the document overview and then expand the header, expand the row, and expand the row again to find our navigation. When we expand the navigation, here we have all the links, and we can rearrange the items in our menu by dragging them around. Like let's say we want the service areas to be right after services. Now if we close out of the document overview, here's how our menu looks. You can also add items as submenu items. For example, maybe this service areas would be better as a sub-item of services. So we can click that and drag it to the right under services. And now in our menu here, we have a little drop-down arrow that if you click it will open and you can see service areas. Great, so now our new page is added to our menu. Visitors can find it if they click through the navigation options. Here you can also update other aspects of the header. For example, if you want to swap out the logo, you can click the logo and click Replace. And then just like replacing any other image, you can add a new file from your media library or upload a new one. Here you can also update your button on the right, where the link goes to, as well as what it says. You want to make sure that there's actually a link set. Mine doesn't have one, so I'll link it to the Contact Us page. Once you've added a page to your navigation menu like this, there's one other way to quickly rearrange it while you're editing the site. Back up to the left, click the W icon, back out from Patterns to the main menu, and click Navigation. And now, here you can see that Service Areas appears in the list along with the other items. Here you can click and drag to a new location and rearrange the menu from here. I'll put it back where it was though, as a sub-item of services.